Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello students, today I am going to start exercise 8.9 from the book of ML Agarwal. Okay, so here the first problem, integration dx by 2 plus cos x. Okay, so this is a very important problem for your exam. Okay, and whenever you face this kind of problem, that means the denominator, in the denominator you have cos x or sin x or the combination of sin and cos. Then for that kind of sum, first we have to substitute this cos. In the trigonometry, you know cos theta equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 2, 1 plus tan square theta by 2. And sin theta equal to 2 tan theta by 2, 1 plus tan square theta by 2. This is the formula from the trigonometry sub multiple. I hope you know the formula. Okay, so here for this kind of problem, that means whenever the cos and sin x in the denominator of any integration, so you have to let tan x by 2 and that equal to here z or t. So okay, tan x by 2 equal to t, or you can let tan x by 2 equal to z, anyone. Okay, so if that one is a cos, so cos from cos to here tan 2 by 2, then tan theta by 2. Okay, so as here cos x, that's why let tan x by 2 equal to t. I hope it's clear. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x, then it will be sec square x by 2, then again differentiate x by 2, that means half dx and that equal to dt. Okay, so from that dx equal to 2 dt into 1 by sec square x by 2. Clear? So that means dx equal to 2 dt. Now as sec square x by 2 means 1 plus tan square x by 2, because you know the formula sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So here as tan x by 2 equal to t, that means here 2 dt 1 plus t square. Okay, so dx equal to 2 dt 1 by t square. And as cos x equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 2, and tan theta by 2 means here t, so it will be 1 minus tan square and 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Okay, clear? So now write down here integration. Now dx will be 2 dt. Okay, so it will be 2 dt, then 1 plus and here t square, so 1 plus t square. Now 1 by here 2, so 2 plus cos x. What is the value of cos x? Now cos x is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Okay, I hope there is no problem. Okay, now integration, it will be 2 dt by 1 plus t square into here the LCM is 1 plus t square, so it will be 2 plus 2t square, then plus 1 minus t square. Clear? So now 2 keeping outside, dt by 1 plus t square, here 1 plus t square in upper side, and here 2 plus 1, that means 3, and 2t square minus t square, it means minus t square. Okay, so these two cancel out, then 2 integration dt by 3 minus t square. Okay, so now 2 integration dt, here root 3 whole square minus t square, and you know this formula. Okay, here the formula, that is, sorry, this one is plus, not the minus, very sorry for this one. Okay, so root 3 whole square plus t square. Now you know this formula, integration dx by a square plus x square, that equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So here to 1 by a means root 3, so 1 by root 3, then tan inverse, here x means t, so t by root 3 plus c. Now you have to substitute the value of t has t equal to 10x by 2. So that means here 2 by root 3 tan inverse, and then 1 by root 3 t means tan x by 2 plus c as your answer. Now sum number 1, 2. Similar kind of problem, integration dx by 5 plus 4 cos x. So first you have to let tan x by 2 that equal to t. Okay, so from that you will get here dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus tan square. Okay, as same as the previous one, and here cos x equal to 1 minus t square and 1 plus t square. Okay, so now it will be here dx means 2 dt by 1 plus t square, then 5 plus 4 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Okay, I hope it's clear. So integration 2 by 1 plus t square, and after LCM it will be here 5 into 1 plus t square, then plus 4 into 1 minus t square, and the LCM will be here. So these two cancel out, here dt. So integration it will be 1 by 5 plus 5t square plus 4 minus 4t square dt. Okay, so to integration it will be 9 plus t square. Okay, 9 plus t square dt. Now that means it will be 3 square plus t square dt. Okay, so now here you can apply the formula of integration 1 by x square plus a square, x square plus x square, and the formula you know 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So here 2 into 1 by 3 tan inverse t by 3 plus c. Now substitute the value of t. So 2 by 3 tan inverse 1 by 3 tan x by 2 plus c as your answer. Now sum number 2, 1. Integration dx by 1 plus 2 cos x. Okay, same type of problem. So here also you have to let tan x by 2 that equal to t. So from that you will get 2x equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Okay, as same as the previous one, that means sum number 1. Okay, and you also know here cos x equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. जैसे मैंने सम नंबर 1 में 1 का जो 1 था उस वहाँ में मैंने डिटेल्स में समझाया था. अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज़ सम नंबर 1 पहले देख लीजिए, वहाँ से आपको समझ में आ जाएगा dx इक्वल टू 2 dt बाई 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर कैसे आया और cos x इक्वल टू 1 माइनस टी स्क्वायर बाई 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर कैसे आया. ओके, सो नाउ हियर dx इक्वल टू 2 dt बाई 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर and here 1 plus 2 into 1 minus t square 1 plus t square. Okay, so now this one will be 1 plus t square और यहाँ पर अगर LCM लेंगे तो LCM 1 plus t square होगा, उसको आप ऊपर में लिख दीजिए. So it will be 1 plus t square plus 2 into 1 then 2 into t square. Okay, so this one cancel out, so it will be now dt by here 1 plus 2, that means 3 minus t square. Okay, so 3 minus t square, that means 2 integration dt by root 3 whole square minus t whole square. So now here you can apply the formula integration dx by a square minus x square. उसका formula क्या होता है, पहले यहाँ पर 1 by 2a होता है. Okay, so as here a equal to root 3, that means 1 by its 2 root 3. 1 by 2 root 3 means 2a, then log a plus x, a minus x. Okay, so here 2 cancel out, so it will be now 1. Okay, so 1 by root 3 log. Now substitute the value of t means here tan x by 2, so root 3 plus tan x by 2, then root 3 minus tan x by 2 within mod plus c, and that is your answer. नाउ सम नंबर 2 इंटीग्रेशन dx बाई 4 cos x माइनस 1। फिर से यहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर में cos x है, इसका मतलब फर्स्ट लेट tan x बाई 2 इक्वल टू t एंड फ्रॉम दैट dx इक्वल टू 2 dt बाई 1 प्लस t स्क्वायर एंड यू नो हियर cos x इक्वल टू 1 माइनस t स्क्वायर बाई 1 प्लस t स्क्वायर। ओके, नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट dx मीन्स 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Okay, so here 2 dt by 1 plus t square and here 4 cos x. So 4 cos x means 4 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square then minus 1. Okay, so now 2 here it's 1 by t square into, अगर यहाँ पर LCM लेंगे तो LCM 1 plus t square होगा, इसको हम ऊपर में बिठा दिया। यहाँ पर 4 minus 4 t square then minus 1 minus t square. Okay, so now these two cancel out, here dt, so 2 integration it's dt by, now 4 minus 1 it becomes 3 और यहाँ पर minus 4 t square minus t square it becomes minus 5 t square. Okay, so finally you have 2 integration dt by 3 minus 5 t square. Clear? अब यहाँ से हम 5 कॉमन ले लेंगे, so it will be 2 by 5 and integration dt by, that will be 3 by 5. So write 3 by 5 as root 3 by 5 ka whole square and this one t whole square. So now you can apply the formula integration dx by a square minus x square and you know the formula is 1 by 2a log a plus x by a minus x. So by the formula it will be 2 by 5 then 1 by 2a, that means 1 by 2 root 3, now root 3 by root 5, so root 5 here and then log within mod root 3 by root 5 plus x. So here x means t, so it will be t here and root 3 by root 5 minus x, so minus t plus c. Okay, so 2 cancel out, this one will be root 5, so it's become 1 by root 15. Root 5 into root 3, root 15 log. Okay, now this one here root 5 is the LCM, so root 3 plus root 5t, here root 3 minus root 5t, again root 5 cancel out from the denominator. Now substitute the t means tan x by 2, so finally you have 3 plus root 5 tan x by 2, here 3 minus root 5 tan x by 2 within mod plus c, and that is your answer. Now sum number 3.1, and in this problem integration dx by 4 plus 5 sin x. Now you have sin x in denominator, so again same thing, let here tan x by 2 that equal to t, so from that you will get dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Okay, so it's same. Now from the in the previous sum you have to find out the value of cos in terms of t, but here you have to find out the value of sin, because here sin x, and as you know sin x means 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. So now tan x by 2 means t, so it will be 2t by 1 plus t square. Clear? Now substitute dx means 2 dt by 1 plus t square and here 4 plus 5 into this one. Instead of sin x you have to write down 2t by 1 plus t square. So now it will be 1 plus t square and here LCM will be 1 plus t square, so write down here, and this one will be 4 plus 4t square plus 5 into 2, it's become 10t dt. Okay, so these two cancel out, so 2 now dt, and here 4t square plus 10t plus 4. Okay, 4t square plus 10t plus 4. Now here 2 will be common, so it becomes 2t square plus 5t plus 2. Here 2 cancel out. Okay, so now you have 2t square plus 5t plus 2. It's a quadratic equation. Okay, so that means to solve this kind of problem you know that very well, because you have to make here, you have to make this in a square form. Okay, so whenever you want to make this one a square form, so it will be now as first you have to common 2. Okay, so it will be 1 by 2 here, then t square plus 5 by 2t plus 1. Okay, so half here, then dt. Now t square means t whole square, then 2 into t, as here 5 by 2, so it will be 5 by 4. So next one will be 5 by 4 whole square by the formula, and you have to adjust this 5 by 4 whole square. Write down here minus 25 by 16. Okay, and here plus 1, so write down 1 here. So it will be now half, and then dt by, now here t square plus 2t 5 by 4 plus 5 by 4 whole square, it is the formula of t by 5 by 4 whole square. Clear? And here 1 minus this one, so you will get I think 9 by 16, and 9 by 16 means 3 by 4 whole square. Clear? So now you can apply the formula dx by x square minus a square, and x square minus a square का formula होता है 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a. I hope you know the formula. Okay, so now it will be half, then 1 by 2a, here a means 3 by 4, so 1 by 2 into 3 by 4, so 4 here, then log this one x minus a, so here x means t plus 5 by 4 x minus a, and then x plus a within mod and plus c. Okay, so now here 4 cancel out, it will be 1 by 3 log, and as here 4 LCM, here also 4 LCM, so 4 cancel out. So substitute the final value here, so here 4t plus 5, so 4t plus 5 minus 3, and it will be here 4t plus 5 plus 3. Clear? Now 1 by 3 log, then 4t plus 8, here 4t plus 2, and here 4t plus 8 plus c. Okay, now you have to here, if 2 will be common from the upper and the lower, if 2 will be common from the upper and lower, then it will be 2t plus 1, and here 2t plus 4 within mod plus c. Okay, so now you have to substitute the value of t, and t means you know 10x by 2, t means you know 10x by 2. So the final answer will be log here 210x by 2 plus 1, here 210x by 2 plus 4 as your answer. Okay, or you can also common t from up and down. Now sum number 3-2. Now you have sin x and cos x in combine. Okay, that means again same thing. First you have to let tan x by 2 that equal to t, and from that you know you have to find out the value of dx, and that equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Now again you have to substitute sin and cos in terms of tan. As you know in the previous sum, here sin will be 2t by 1 plus t square, as well as cos x equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Clear? So now dx means 2 dt, and then 1 plus t square, and then it will be 1 minus 2t by 1 plus t square, then plus cos x, that means 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So 2 will be here, then 1 plus t square into, here also LCM 1 plus t square, so write down here it will be 1 plus t square minus 2t plus 1 minus t square. Okay, so these two cancel out, here dt. Now here t square minus t square, so it will be also cancel out. Okay, so now you have here 2 integration dt by, here 1 plus 1 that means 2, 1 plus 1 that means 2, and here also minus 2t. Okay, so now if 2 will be common, so integration dt by 1 minus t. Okay, so 2 cancel out. Now as you know, integration 1 by x, integration 1 by x means log x. Okay, integration 1 by x means log x. As here integration dt by 1 minus t, so it will be minus log 1 minus t plus c. Now put down the value of t, so minus log, it will be 1 minus tan x by 2 plus c as your answer. सो गाइज अगर आपको यहाँ पर समझ में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर देखिए डी टी बाई 1 माइनस टी, मैंने इसे माइनस लॉग 1 माइनस टी कहाँ से लिखा है. सो यहाँ पर आप क्या कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पर आप 1 माइनस टी को यहाँ पे दैट इक्वल टू जेड पकड़ सकते हैं. सो इट विल बी नाउ माइनस डी टी इक्वल टू डी जेड. ओके, सो नाउ फ्रॉम दैट डी टी इक्वल टू माइनस डी जेड. सो इट विल बी नाउ इंटीग्रेशन माइनस डी जेड बाई जेड. सो उसका फॉर्मूला हो गया माइनस लॉग जेड. देन z को वैल्यू यहाँ पर सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे, 1 माइनस टी हो जाएगा. ओके, सो फ्रॉम दैट माइनस लॉग 1 माइनस टी विद इन मॉड प्लस सी. नाउ सम नंबर 4(1). ओके, सो हियर सम नंबर 4 इंटीग्रेशन dx बाई 1 माइनस tan x. अब यहाँ पर देखिए साइन भी दिया नहीं है, कॉस भी नहीं है, एकदम डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम है. Now this type of problem, to substitute this type of problem, first you have to change this tan into sin cos. So it will be sin x by cos x. Okay, so now this one will be here cos x as LCM. So here cos x, and here you can write cos minus sin x dx. I hope you understand. Okay, so now whenever you have cos by cos x minus sin x, for this kind of sum you have to substitute. So here one standard method, that is here the numerator, as numerator is cos x, so that means for the numerator the formula will be a into denominator. Okay, a into denominator plus b into derivative of, okay, b into the derivative of the denominator. Clear? So here is the method to substitute the numerator for this kind of problem. So numerator equal to, so here numerator, that means cos x, and here a, so a. Now denominator means cos x minus sin x, then plus b. Now ddx, it is derivative of this one. So cos x minus sin x, cos का डेरिवेटिव हो गया आपका माइनस साइन एक्स, और यहाँ पर माइनस साइन एक्स था, सो इट विल बी प्लस cos x. Okay, so for the first one the derivative of cos that equal to minus sin x, and then sin x का डेरिवेटिव आपका हो गया यहाँ पर cos x, and it will be minus. So now here you have to multiply this one, so a cos x minus a sin x, then it's minus again, b sin x, and then minus b cos x. So now if cos will be common, it becomes a minus b, and if minus sin x will be common, it becomes a plus b. Okay, so in the left hand side you have cos, in the right hand side you have this one. Now by comparing both sides, here a minus b equal to 1, and here a plus b. Now in the left hand side there is no sin x, so a plus b equal to 0. Okay, so if a plus b equal to 0 and a minus b equal to 1, then from that you can easily find out the value of a and b. So it will be 2a equal to 1, so a equal to 1 by 2 and b equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, so now you have to substitute here. So here cos x, so cos x will be changed as a into this one plus b into this one. Okay, so as here a means half and b means minus half, so you have to write down first half here, and then here cos x minus sin x, and the denominator will be same, so it will be cos x minus sin x for the first one. Okay, now next one here positive, so here plus, then again integration, b means minus half, so write down, you can also write down here minus half also. Okay, so minus half, and here then it will be minus sin x. Okay, minus sin x minus cos x divided by cos x minus sin x dx. Okay, I hope no problem. So now it will be cancelled out, so half integration dx. Here again minus will be common, so here also minus, so it will be plus half and it will be sin x plus cos x divided by cos x minus sin x dx. Clear? Now here let this one, the denominator, let cos x minus sin x as z. Okay, then derivative of this one, it will be sin x. Okay, so sin x, sorry, minus sin x, and this one will be cos x dx, that equal to dz. So minus will be common, so sin x plus cos x dx, that equal to minus dz. So it will be half x plus half, and here this one equal to minus dz by z. Okay, so half x, it will be half log z plus c. So here x by 2 minus half log within mod, here also mod, cos x minus sin x as the value of z plus c, and that is your answer. Now sum number 4-2. Okay, similar kind of problem. लास्ट प्रॉब्लम में यहाँ पर tan x था, यहाँ पर cot x दिया हुआ है. सो इंटीग्रेशन dx बाई, इसको चेंज कर दो, इट विल बी cos x बाई sin x. सो बाई LCM sin x here, and it will be sin x plus cos x dx. Okay, now substitute the numerator. So here sin x equal to a into the denominator, and then b into the derivative of the denominator, it will be cos x minus sin x. Okay, so now here sin x equal to, as sin will be common, so it will be a minus b, and here cos will be common, so it will be a plus b. That means here a minus b equal to 1 by comparing both sides, and a plus b equal to 0. So 2a equal to 1, again a equal to half. That means b equal to minus half. It's clear because a plus b equal to 0. So now substitute this one. So for first one sin x, so here sin x will be half, and then a, here a means half, sorry, a means half, then sin x plus cos x. So write down here sin x plus cos x by sin x plus cos x dx. Separate this one. Here b equal to minus half, so b, write down here minus half, then cos x minus sin x divided by sin x plus cos x and dx. So here half keeping outside, cancel out, dx, here minus half, integration. Now this one, okay, again sin x plus cos x, that equal to z. So it will be cos x minus sin x dx, that equal to dz. So the upper one will be dz, lower one here z. Okay, so half x minus half, it will be log mod z plus c. So half x minus half log, and here substitute the value of z, it will be sin x plus cos x plus c, and that is your answer. Now sum number 5. Integration 5 tan x by tan x minus 2 dx, and that equal to ax plus b log within mod sin x minus 2 cos x plus c. Here you have to find out the value of this a and b. Okay, so first you have to find out the integration of this one. So here tan means you know sin x by cos x, here also tan means sin x by cos x minus 2 dx. Okay, so now here 5 sin x, cos x will be cancelled out with this LCM, so it will be sin x minus 2 cos x dx. Now that means here 5 sin x is the numerator. So from the previous formula you know that the numerator equal to a into denominator, and then plus b into the derivative of this one. So it will be cos x, and here plus 2 sin x. Okay, so now by comparing both side, as here coefficient of sin x equal to 5, so 5 equal to here a plus 2b. Okay, here 5 equal to a plus 2b, and then 0 equal to here minus 2a plus b. Okay, so that means here a plus 2b equal to 5, and here minus 2a plus b equal to 0. Oh, sorry, from here, from this equation, here b equal to 2a, so you can easily substitute the value, of b here. So that means a plus here 4b that equal to 5, sorry 4a that equal to 5, so 5a equal to 5, that means here 5 by 5 equal to 1, so a equal to 1. So if a equal to 1, then b equal to 2. Okay, very sorry for that. Okay, so here a equal to 1 and b equal to 2. Now 5 sin x means first a into this 1. So a means 1, so let's just write down here sin x minus 2 cos x, again by sin x minus 2 cos x dx. Now next one, here plus integration, here b means 2, so 2 into this one cos x plus 2 sin x divided by this one again here dx. So for the first one it will be integration dx, and for the second one you have to substitute this one as z, then you will get back integration dz by z. Okay, so it will be x plus 2 log mod z plus c. Now substitute the value of z, it will be, as z means this one, so sin x minus 2 cos x plus c. Okay, now here you have the answer x plus 2 log sin x minus 2 cos mod x plus c. Now by comparing this one with your answer which is given in your book, so here a equal to the coefficient of x, that means 1, and b equal to 2. Okay, so a equal to 1 and b equal to 2, that is your answer. So guys, please keep watching and keep supporting, and if you are a new subscriber, please subscribe my channel. Okay, please share this video with your friends and with your family members. Thanks for watching.